Oh, YouTube, Budget Hugger, back with another video. Title today, you already know. Friga vs. Move 4v1 finally happened, season 9, episode 9. I think this Friga first game back. A lot going on. But y'all fuck these vids. Go ahead, like, subscribe and shit. Sister Hooker in the building. Said we got hot straight.
We have Devontae making his return. And
first day back, told y'all.
Moon that he has to play against. So it's going to be Team Friga versus Moon. Let's see if it holds up to all the hype.
What's up? It's your boy Cam. So I got a video here I was sponsored by Prize Picks. I ain't gonna lie, I don't want over $5,000 in Prize Picks.
First play y'all over here doing the ads.
Friga, nigga. Talk your shit.
Welcome back, Friga. First day. Oh.
I missed you.
Oh my God, stay on your feet, King. He said tricks is for kids.
I'm gonna jump in.
White hat. Now Moon got the left. Moon got a lot of shots, boy. First day back, Friga. Oh my man.
Talk too early.
Baja, Friga. Go to the Baja. Show him what the dash strip about.
Damn, Friga was like Kevin Garnett out there.
First day back, look a little heavier. Ching.
She got Twin. We got Twin checking in for Moon.
Oh my God. Talk to me. That's the dash strip. That's dash strip right there. Pitbull versus Frenchie. He turned around on that boy. First shot turned around on that boy. Eddie. Oh man, the pound step. Can't guard that though.
Even on my phone, I'm like, why would I do that? I know what the
Get in there.
Into the midi though, I'm trying. Watch me. But that's 14.
Oh my God! No, he did not do that.
He's bugging. He is bugging the out. What is he doing, bro? He hit everything. Not even on the wild. Like, it ain't like he not guarding.
He's guarding it. But the way he just shot that joint.
Injustice.
Oh yeah, he's bugging. Moon wilding right now. You want your look on you for time coming in for you. Yes, sir. I'm gonna let you know as soon as I get it up. I'm gonna let you know. We all good. Should we up?
I will never get those
Honestly, all this is defense. Yeah, it's just defensively.
I got 4 picks for tonight, and I'm feeling real confident.
Back at it.
Patty Mahomes, they got me going for 0.5 passing yards. Come on, more. Isaiah, running back for Kansas City, 67.5 rushing yards. More. George Kittle, 46.5 receiving yards. More. Travis Kelce, 70.5 receiving yards. More. These are the sweetest picks. Make sure y'all want to win some money. Lock in.
That's Friga.
To get 500 winning. Come on now. Make sure y'all go download Prize Picks. Don't forget to use our code next chapter. You will get an instant deposit to match up to $100. Whatever you put in, Prize Picks is gonna match it. Regardless, 5, 10, 15, 20, they gonna match it. Hey, and don't forget them picks we talked about. They gonna hit.
Patient.
One more.
That shit felt good. That shit look good.
Who do you think got this one? To be honest, bro, I like Nathan, bro. Like, I don't care. Everybody over here, I say every single time, Nathan has the best game to me. I don't care what nobody says, bro. Nathan is bro. Nathan can play like a 5'8" Friga.
Move versus Nathan. 8. Come on then, Friga. Hey. Pull up. Okay, Friga. Leave him. Same thing. Let me get by you. Let me get by you. Whoa. That's a good first day back. Moon, you know he played D/hack. You know Twins definitely hack. That was tough as hell, Moon. Same thing, Moon lighter than him. That's right. Vintage Friga. Friga coming up. Listen, you gotta win this goddamn game.
Find your balance at Element Hotels.
All planted.
Adobe Stone's multi-asset subscription plans allow access to over 300 million assets.
We did.
They gonna only go backwards. They can't go forward. We can't afford it. They asked for two. Nate's scared to get back in. I think he just got in. I'm gonna go to rack. Go to rack on his ass. And I'm about to stop shooting. We want him doing that. He's not trained. I want him to. It's good. I was trying to get one, right? Yes, sir. Oh yeah!
Pulling it. What's up? Nah, man, I ain't gonna talk about it. Baja, Friga. You know what's good. It won. Ooh, that looked good, Sam. That's a tough time. Let me get it through there. He cashed out. Hey. Same thing. That's the Air 1, man. I ain't gonna lie. shit, Friga.
Damn, dog!
Hey, gotta call that, ref.
They can't guard you, Moose. That's one.
No, he did. Cashy.
Keep that head up, boy. I'm here. Keep that head up. I'm here. Everybody on claps on my mama.
That's a hell of a move. Boy, vintage.
Subscribe to the next chapter. I want my 1v1 ready to go up after. Let him subscribe. I'll tell him after. I'll tell him after. Add $1 to that pot. Add $1 to that pot.
What is going on? Running back. Talk to these young and dumb niggas, Frick.
Hey, we're back. I'm back. On anybody.
Hell of a couple games, Friga. Yeah, I fuck with that though. Like, comment, subscribe, and shit. Till next time for more.